After World War II, Germany was prohibited from continuing its military and industrial production. This led to the dismantling and closure of many German factories, including those of the automobile industry. At the same time, Japan was rebuilding its economy and infrastructure after the devastating effects of the war. In the late 1940s and early 1950s, the Japanese government wanted to encourage the development of a domestic automobile industry to support its economic growth. To achieve this goal, the Japanese government turned to sources of technology and expertise from around the world, including Germany. Many German engineers and technicians had lost their jobs due to the dismantling of factories. Japanese firms hired these German experts to help develop the country's automobile industry. The German engineers and technicians brought with them the latest knowledge in car manufacturing and engineering, including advanced techniques for mass production, assembly line production, and quality control. Through collaboration with Germany, Japan's automobile industry gained valuable experience and knowledge. One of the most significant collaborations between Japan and Germany in the automobile industry was the partnership between Toyota and Volkswagen. In the late 1950s, Toyota licensed the technology from Volkswagen to produce the Volkswagen Type 1 in Japan. This allowed Toyota to gain valuable experience in mass production and quality control, which it later applied to its own models, such as the Toyota Corolla. The collaboration between Japan and Germany played a crucial role in the development of Japan's automobile industry. It helped establish Japan as a major player in the global automotive market and contributed significantly to the country's economic growth. Japanese individuals learn about automobiles through various educational and vocational pathways. There are universities and technical colleges that offer programs in automotive engineering, design, and manufacturing. Many automobile manufacturers offer apprenticeships and on-the-job training programs that allow individuals to learn about automobile design, manufacturing, and repair. Overall, the collaboration between Japan and Germany had a significant impact on the development of Japan's automobile industry. It is a great example of how countries can work together to share knowledge and expertise for mutual benefit. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel.